Hello, I'm Debbie from Design Health, and I'm delighted to be able to welcome you to my studio. I've got a very exciting program for you today because I'm going to be introducing to you my new interior design videos. I'm a qualified interior designer and I've spent many years working on a variety of different projects. They can be commercial, they can be contract, they can be small, they can be large, but actually the process is still the same, and I want to impart that information to you. It doesn't matter whether you're working with one room or you're working on a whole house. It's all irrelevant because the process is exactly the same. So I want you to take away with you from my videos a great idea of how you can get started and actually enjoy the journey. I'm not going to talk to you just about interior decoration, which is all the colours and the samples and the finishes and the things that you see at the end of a project. You need to have some idea how you're going to build your project, how you're going to plan the space, and if you're going to do some lighting, new electrics, new services. All these things are really important. I want you to be able to combine creativity with a successful installation. Now this also means you have to evolve a master plan, and this master plan covers the whole project. Now nobody can actually create this master plan and carry it out necessarily all in one go because it's very expensive. But if you have a master plan, you can cut it down into sizable chunks and therefore spread your cost and your budget. This is not about grand designs. This is about the everyday house that we all live in. I also want to help you work within a budget. I want you to make every penny count. No more expensive mistakes. I constantly hear of the nightmares that people go through when they're actually doing interior design projects. Enthusiastically ripping things out with colour and finishes and the end result foremost in your mind is almost a recipe for disaster. You need to plan and ensure that you've got your project ready to go before you start calling in the builders too early. You will not be bombarded with fabulously expensive interior shots with the wow factor. There are plenty of magazines, television programs and books for this, and don't get me wrong, this is great for inspiration, so do look out for them. However, the real wow will be when you bring in your project on time and to budget. My knowledge is unique because it's a combination of training and experience. I want to show you how you can achieve the right balance so that you can make informed choices. I have put together a framework which may sound rigid, but actually it will help you make decisions more easily. It will also allow you to break rules successfully when you have a good foundation to work from. So do join me. Keep looking out for my latest videos and blogs, and you will be surprised how much you learn and enjoy that process.